What's up, YouTubers? This is Mike from Narcotropolis. I'm down here in Kensington Avenue. Allegheny's 2 blocks behind me. Down here to take you a ride all the way down the L. Show you what's at the end. It's Tioga Park on the right. Needle Park is back behind me to the left. This is Tioga Park to the right. This is Tioga Stop train station. I'm out here bringing awareness to the fentanyl xylazine epidemic we're having here in Philadelphia. Basically all across the United States and the world. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. You've been notified for new content. Excuse me. Excuse me. Whew. I'm going to show you what I got in a second. I'm going to have to pull over and show you what I brought with me today. Excuse me again. Wow. Still sick. I want to thank everybody who joined my lives the last few days of last week. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my God, I got the sniffles. Yeah, this goes all the way down to, this is going towards the northeast. Towards like, Bridget Pratt. Oh my God, I can't stop sneezing. I got a runny nose. I'm still sick. A little Robbie, my little nephew, got all of us sick. Except Elias, because Elias got him sick first. If you don't know, Elias is my son. But only people that watch my channel is people that follow me now. So you guys know who Elias is. Wow. I'm about to pull over. You know what? Let me pull over now and show you what I got. Wow. Okay. Let's see here. So, of course, winter socks. Oh, winter socks. And over here, hand warmers. And here, I got hats and gloves. So, got plenty of winter gear. So we're gonna see. Get some out. It's really not that cold today. So. Look at this. We finance. Si hablas Espanol. Financing available. Then over here. Look at that 2014 Ford. Oh, that's nice. 2017 Jeep. Nice vehicles over here. 4,000 or 5,000, maybe 6. Tahoe. This is Erie Avenue, crossing with Kensington. See, it crosses right here. Yeah, I don't think anybody on Kensington ever took you guys this far. On the L. So the L runs straight down to Bridget Pratt. That's the last stop, and then from there you can jump on just about any bus to go anywhere in the Northeast, all the way down to the Philadelphia Mall, aka the Chamonix Mall. Roosevelt Boulevard. That's where Pepsi used to be. I don't know if it's still down there or not. Pepsi used to be down there. And then if you go backwards on the train, it'll take you down to Center City, Old City, on Market Street, where Independence Hall is at. Independence Hall, Liberty Bell is on 5th and Market. And the train just goes straight up. It stops at 2nd Street, 5th and the Market, 8th and Market, 11th and Market, 13th and Market, then City Hall, and then 30th Street, then 34th, and then 40th, then 46, then 52, then 56, 60th, all the way up to 69th Street. And that'll be the last stop in Upper Darby, 69th and Market. As a matter of fact, I took you guys back here before. I used to live up here on the left at an apartment way back in '94, going on 30 years. Looks the same. But you see this area somewhat looks like Kensington. The stores. You can also catch the bus at the last stop to the Northeast Airport. Yeah, we got a Philadelphia International Airport on I-95 down by the Eagle Stadium. Then you got the Northeast Airport, which is smaller, way smaller. It's usually for like private planes, no commercial jets, just like private planes and stuff like that, helicopters. It's big enough for a little Cessna to land, but no 747s and nothing like that. That all goes to Philadelphia International Airport. But I like history. I like looking at vintage videos and photos of this area before they had the train, before they had this L. Oh my God, it looks a lot different. I mean, way different. I'm used to seeing this blue bridge like this. So when you see videos and pictures of it, and it's not, it just looks weird, pictures. A lot of stores around here. This is more calmer than a mile back on Kensington Avenue, but there is still a lot of crime here. There's still a lot of crime. There's still a lot of crime out here. There's drugs out here, but not like Kensington Avenue way back there. There's, you know how that is. Around here there's some drugs, but I think it's more robberies and burglaries down here than drug sales. Kensington, #1 crime is drug sales. Down here it's probably like robbery. Yeah, you don't want to walk through here at nighttime with money. And if you don't fit in, you will get robbed. You see all the stores. Dollar USA. Wow. It's old. This is, I used to get off right here at this stop right here, Martha and Orthodox. Right here I used to get off right here. This is the train stop. And I would walk that way to go to my apartment. 2 stops down, 2 stop signs, and then make a left, half a block on the right hand side. Was my apartment in '94. My oldest kids was 2 and 1 years old. Now they're 32 and 31. Yep. A lot of memories. A lot of good times over there, I'm not gonna lie. We Buy, sell, loans. Pawn shop. We buy gold, silver. Yeah. Oh God, I got stuck behind his truck. No, he's leaving. There you go, Mark. Mark Swepson. There you go. There's your guitar and your piano and your drums. So record all the music you want. How to store nail salons, bodegas. Teddy's Pizza, tax services, fast returns. Huh. And we're coming up to the last stop now. It's like a terminal. You're gonna see like thousands of buses. And like I said, them buses will take you anywhere in the Northeast you want to go. There's Tarsdale, Frankfurt Hospital, right there to my left. My oldest daughter was born at Frankfurt Hospital, Tarsdale campus. That's in the Northeast. There's two Frankfurt hospitals. This is one of them, and then you got Tarsdale campus down the Northeast. So right here is the last stop of the train. The L. I'll take you to 69th and Market one day to the last stop going backwards. But yeah, there it is on the left. See, it disappears. The train disappears to the left. Look at all the buses. And all the buses. Now we're in the Northeast. This is Bridge Street. Well, I'm going to head back towards Kensington. I just wanted to show you this, guys. Let me head back down Kensington. I just wanted to show you the end of the L. Some of you asked. There you go. I still want to get on it and ride it from beginning to end. Of course, when I'm like recording out the window, like at the front, I'll fast forward it to the next stop and then I'll let it play normal, because it is a long ride. Maybe 30 stops, 35. Don't quote me on it. But yeah, what's her name that used to live down here? I forgot her name. I should stop by her house. Dawn, is it Dawn? She used to give me wound care. I used to go to her house and she used to give me wound care. But that's all. It's beautiful around here. You see, look, it's nice around here. Got these old houses. These are 1800 houses. Yeah, these are 1800 houses. 1800s. Beautiful houses. Well, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna run back to Kensington, and hopefully give out some stuff. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Make sure that notification bells keep notified when I upload new content. And everybody else, thank you. Check out the links in the description, guys. Please help the channel. Remember, I'm doing Thanksgiving, so anything helps. It's a toss-up right now. I don't know. It depends. I'll let you know on the live soon. But this Thursday coming up, it's Thanksgiving, so take care, guys. I love you guys. Remember, love is the key. Drama free. Build the past, live the present, dream the future, love, health, peace, and happiness to all. Until next time, this is Mike for Narcotropolis. Peace.